Meet Yogi, a Sri Lankan chef.
Hi.
He left Sri Lanka about 20 years ago.
So then I'm homeless. I slept Charing Cross station, Waterloo station. The lost clot out my lungs. That's the reason my heart also failure.
But fate had other plans for him. Smell Sri Lanka.
So I was waiting 14 years to reunite my wife and daughter.
This is very inspirational.
I met my mom and dad after 15 years. I struggled lots of days without food.
I can see why there is a queue. Today, he's a celebrated chef in London, cooking food from home with so much love, sharing all the flavors that he misses from Sri Lanka. Oh my god, I can smell it already. Guys, we're not even like right by the store, but I can smell Sri Lanka. Oh my god. Good morning.
Good morning. How are
எப்படி
you?
இருக்கீங்க? Good. நீங்க எப்படி இருக்கீங்க? Thank you.
நல்ல சார் எப்படி இருக்கீங்க? ஓகே.
நல்லா இருக்கேன். வாசம் தூக்குது. அங்க இருந்து.
அப்படியா? I came to 2007.
So you haven't been home for nearly 20 years. You haven't been home.
Yeah, I came, then I stay with my brother-in-law friend's house. No room there.
Yeah.
So they asked to move somewhere. So then I decided to move to London. So then I'm homeless. Park everywhere. It's like
How long was that?
4 years. My physical health also some problem. One day I can't walk because my leg also swelling. DVD positive. No family, no friends, no proper place to sleep. My health is physically, mentally, everything. Yeah, problem. Nearly 3 months I was in Oxford Mental Hospital. Taking more counseling and support and lots did. By this book of the Home Office. And in 2020, is granted my asylum. This organization is to save my life. Freedom from Torture, they introduced one of the organizations, it's called My Grateful. This one helped for the lots of refugees, cookery school. They asked, you like to cook? No, son, I don't like, because I don't know how to make a cup of tea at home. Always my mom and wife make it. Yes.
What was the first dish you made?
First I cooked the dal curry. I asked my mom how to cook.
Yeah.
Mom explained how to do to cook, but my mom don't know how to the measurement tablespoon. So. Then the My Grateful they teach me. Freedom from Torture. They help to study for the hotel school. Then the same time this trampoline owner Pranav. Then he offered me. So you want to come and try your Sri Lankan food here? I came here. Then I start my business here. 3% is my life here.
Yeah.
One is the Freedom from Torture, other one is My Grateful, another one is the Pranav. Sponsor my wife and daughter.
Yeah.
Yeah, after 14 years after, I reunite my wife and daughter.
How
Yes,
was
after-
it like seeing them after 14 years?
Still have memory, Nearly 40 minutes flight delay. So I was waiting 14 years, but I can't wait 40 minutes that day. Feel a lot of tightness, very nervous. Finally the flight also landing, Sri Lankan Airlines land here. When my daughter came, I can't recognize. I know it's my daughter, but 50% she's my daughter or no, she's my daughter only because when I left she was 2 years old. When she came it's 16 years, isn't it? I quickly, I jumped to barriers, I hugged my daughter tightly,
Yeah.
That's a totally different feeling. I'm sorry. That's a face because when I left my baby there.
Yeah.
Thank God with me now,
Yeah.
Always with me, I'm happy life now,
The கதை சொன்னீங்கல்ல அன்னைக்கு நீங்க about eating that biryani because you said the reason why cooking is so important to you and not just cooking because you said everything you make is fresh. It's because of that one thing that happened.
Yeah. So only I have £6.90 left. I bought on a biryani. When I open the biryani, this smell is not good. Horrible. I can't. Bad. Went bad, I can't throw the food because I'm hungry, lots hungry.
Yeah.
I struggle lots of day without food struggle, but the Pacific day, food is close to nearly how far from I'm here, close to food, but I can't have it. Then I decided, any chance, any opportunity, start business, I follow that. I do everything fresh. Yeah. Mutton ஒன்று சாப்பிடுங்க, egg and mutton, egg and chicken.
I can see why there is a queue. Oh, we're going to Sainsbury's. How many bags in it?
15.
15.
Rolls, adukala rolls roti adukala.
I can totally see why like people love Yogi's kitchen so much. Like it's not just the food, it's the way he is. The minute you walk in, it's just full of smiles.
You want to see that mushroom curry? பதினேழு 15 வருஷத்துக்கு முதல்ல நான் எப்படி இருந்தேன், இப்போ எப்படி இருக்கேன், அந்த நினைவுகள் சில நேரத்துக்கு அந்த வந்து போகும். அந்த ஹோம்லெஸ் ஆக்கள் பார்க்குறது நேரம், நான் மென்டல் ஹாஸ்பிட்டலில் இருந்த நேரம், நான் எப்படி இருந்தேன், அதெல்லாம் நினைக்கும் பொழுது எனக்கே இது நானா இப்படி மாறி இருக்கேன்ற ஒரு இது. Yeah.
Yeah, he's a special guy.
He's a very special man. He's very inspirational.
I think so too.
Thank you, Danny. Thank you. Thanks for coming.
I think the thing with Yogi is like there's not a front, but I think he genuinely cares for people, and I think it's not just about running a business. I think it's who he is as an individual.
I can see.
And that's what brings people to see Yogi.
இப்படி ஒரு வாழ்க்கை இருக்கும்னு நான் நினைச்சு பார்க்கல.
இன்னைக்கு எப்படி தோணுது? இன்னைக்கு என்ன ஃபீலிங்?
இன்னைக்கு ஒரு நல்ல இதுல இருக்கேன் நான். எல்லாம் ஆண்டவன் இது ரெண்டாவது வாழ்க்கை. I met my mom and dad after 15 years. I went to India. That's mom and
Yeah.
my mom also cry when I cook. I cook my mom for fish curry, but I cook for dad like a mutton.
Yeah.
I cook mutton curry for dad. With the mom, that's a totally different feel. When I cook for the chop and everything properly in the chopping bed, separate nicely, I keep for the everything. Mom look and sit and see also cry. Chicken curry is ready. Sri Lankan. Yeah.
I love it.
Spice is okay.
Perfect. I love spice.
The work that goes into making the food that you and I love.
பட்டினி எனக்கு அந்த அருமை தெரியும். சாப்பாடுனா என்ன, வருத்தம் என்ன, வலி என்ன, அதை நான் அனுபவிச்சிருக்கேன். அதை தான் சொல்லுங்க. அதுக்கு எல்லாத்துக்கும் சொல்றது என்னன்னு கேட்டா, யார் யார் கஷ்டப்படுறாங்களோ அந்த கஷ்டத்துக்கு பின்னாடி ஒரு நல்ல வாழ்க்கை ஒன்று இருக்கு.
நல்ல ஒரு நாள் வரும்.
நல்ல ஒரு வரம் உங்களுக்கு கட்டாயம் இருக்கு.